One of my favorite places anywhere in the world. We're in Hosmer Grove, also home to some of the last of the native birds here in Hawaii, the honey creepers that forage on the ōhi'a and some of the other flowers in here. And they're really bright red colors, and they have these hooked beaks. They're really fun to photograph. They're super fast. They're about this size, a little bigger than a hummingbird. This is one of the only places that you can find them. It's pretty cold up here. It's like 6,000 feet up. Today there's a lot of cold fog kind of going through, but it's beautiful. And we're going to try to find some birds. So here we go. I'm out here shooting with my 400 with my Z9. I really like this lens. It's super sharp, really fast. And the key is when we're shooting birds like this is to shoot through the action. They move really fast, so you know it's actually a trick I learned when I used to shoot sports when I was in college. But you know, just when you think the peak of the action is happening, keep shooting all the way through to the end of it, because that's usually when you get the interesting moments. When the bird takes off, you want to get the bird in flight. That makes a lot better shot. So you just keep shooting, and hopefully you get lucky.